Hi Kalpesh, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Great, great. So, Kalpesh, first of all, heartiest congratulations on getting job with Accenture. How it feels like?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your support and IMEDIA team. Yeah, it's a very nice feeling. I'm trying long for the changing the opportunity with my current organization. Now, with the help of your team and your support, sir, I have got the new opportunity, and I am very heartily thankful to your team, sir.
Great, great. So currently you are working with which organization?
Yeah, currently I'm working with the Infosys, and I have get a new opportunity with the Accenture. I'm trying it hardly for last 2 to 3 months, but yeah, now I got the success and I have get the opportunity with the Accenture.
Great. What growth you have got from Infosys to Accenture now?
Yeah, now I have got a 90% growth with Accenture.
Great, great. So how was your overall
Thank you.
experience with iMedita? What all courses you have taken here?
Yeah, firstly, I really thankful to the iMedia team because as a fresher, whenever I joined the Infosys, my journey start with the iMedita, and at that time also lots of support from the team. Whenever I joined to the iMeta, means I can say that at that time I'm the newer in the networking thing, and I don't know where and how I want to grow in this network field. But at that time, from the technical point of view, all the team are very supportive. They are improve my technical skill, and I'm saying that not only my technical skill but my personal skill, resume writing skill, all the things will be improved by the iMeter team. So whenever I'm talking with now I'm feeling very comfortable because first time whenever I'm talking with the personal development session with you, sir, at that time I feel like that I never stand against the two person. Okay, but I'm very comfortable feeling like that. Yeah, my complete development from the iMeta whenever I joined the fresher, and I have got the opportunity with the Infosys. And now I think that yeah, I want to move technically more in the field. That time I have joined the session like firewall, checkpoint firewall. I have completed from the iMeta, also the firewall courses. And whenever I have fresher, I'm the multi-track student in iMeta. So from there now I have completed all my session like firewall session, firepower session I have completed with the iMeta, and the last session with the firewall and checkpoint that really helped me to get the new opportunity in the Accenture, where I got the new role for the firewall support in
Great,
Accenture.
great. If I'm not wrong, you enrolled in multi-track program 4 years back, right? That time you got job with Infosys. You
Yes,
worked
sir.
with Infosys for 3 years, and now you did Checkpoint, Firepower, and other courses, and you got opportunity with Accenture, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
Great, great. So, what was your approach during the training? Because being a working professional, sometimes it becomes very difficult to invest sufficient time with our self learning. So, what was your approach during the training, and how much time did you spend along with work for your training classes and your self learning?
Yeah, that is very good, sir. Means if I'm thinking that the whenever you are working, it's really difficult to approach the training session and regular practice. But yeah, the complete approach will be taken by the once again I made a team. Whenever as per my free time, I have joined the session and schedule batch okay as per the time, but whatever I had doubt I have just note that doubt, but I'm whenever I'm doing the practice like I'm doing 2 hours 3 hours practice as per my work schedule. After that I have doing the practice that, and at that time whenever I try to contact to the trainer and supportive team, they will help you to resolve my query. So my approach towards the classes after my workload, it's like that I'm working looking for the classes for 2 to 3 hours at a time. Whatever I have query I just note down, and at practice session whenever I have got some query at a time, free time whenever Saturday Sunday or almost in a week whenever I have some query, I will just check with my trainer. They will help and support me on that query to resolve that session or query.
Great. So, you mean to say that as a working professional, sometimes it becomes very difficult to take out time, but whenever you have time, at that time, try to invest in your learning, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
Great. What are the three things you liked about iMedita?
Three thing, it's not the three things, sir. It's lots of things I really like about the Almeta. Because whenever I'm fresher and whenever I'm now experienced, I try to change my job. I'm looking for the multiple classes, but the session and the technical skills or the schedule of flexibility of batches, all the things, and whenever the support which I have got from the team, that is really really brilliant or excellent. I'm say because as per I am looking for the number of classes, but whatever the satisfaction I have got that from the iMedita from starting from the fresher. So if you particular uh, ask me about the three things, that first thing is yes, really the technical skills or a trainer. They have really brilliant or excellent trainer. So they have support me all the time whenever I got the query. That is the first thing, the technical skills from that. And second thing, as I'm thinking that I'm come from the very poor background, villager background, but whenever it is the position where I need to stand in the strongly where in the IT firm, so at that time the IMETA team will really support me how to do not technical skills but how to grow your personal skills also. That is the second thing. And third thing, the approach of the IMETA team towards the student, how they will get placed in the best organization. That thing, sir.
Great. So, any suggestion and message to individuals who are planning to kickstart their career in this IT networking domain?
Yes, I'm saying that yeah, whenever you want to start your career with the IT networking domain, then IMETA is a best place. From my past experience and my current experience, I'm suggested that yes, if you get selected the IMETA Training Institute, then you will be never upset. Okay, you will be completely satisfied with your course. Also, you are completely satisfied with your career success. So not only that, it is a best institute for the fresher to start your career, because not only your career path they will help, means IMET team will help us to grow in a career also with your personal development. So I'm just giving the message to the newers or they want to start their career with the IT domain, then yes, definitely go for IMETA, because you will get a complete satisfaction here.
Great. Thank you, Kalpesh. Thank you for your time. Okay. And last question: how would you rate iMedita's training program on a scale of 10?
Okay, sir, I will rating 10 out of 10 because I'm very satisfied with the all the courses which I have taken from the IMETA, and I got that result. That's why I rate out 10 out of 10.
Thank you, Kalpesh. Thank you for your time. We wish you all the very best for future endeavors.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.